John and Kyle, you guys getting ready to go here?
Yeah.
We need 5 10-pounders today.
No, we just need 8-pounders.
8-pounders? Okay.
Good. Look right in.
Kyle and Bob, they're just relaxed.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and give the first official time check at 6 a.m. We're going to get started in a few minutes. In the meantime, I want to review a few rules with you. Just want to remind everybody that you're fishing for a 5-fish limit, 14-inch minimum on largemouth bass, 12-inch minimum on spotted bass. Also want to remind you to respect all areas marked off limits, no fishing, no boats, etc. We also ask that you do not cast into those areas. In addition to idling in any area marked no wake, we also require that you idle under any bridges. There's no fishing within 50 yards of another anchored competitor. And also want to remind you guys, when we begin the process of staging the boats, we're going out in reverse order today. So the first boat to go out today is going to be boat number 138. So we're going to need to get 138 up here close to the American flag.